Hi, this is Rich Irosi here in Crofton, Maryland, and boy, are we in a probably the biggest snowstorm I've ever seen in my whole life. Woke up this morning, it was about 2 feet of snow on the ground. It's about noontime now, and we've got over 30 inches of snow, and we're looking at another 8 or so hours of snow. This is absolutely an unbelievable snowstorm for the East Coast. Take a look at this stuff. Here's a tree I lost from the weight of the snow. This driveway was absolutely shoveled completely this morning. I'm gonna have to do it probably 2 more times. And that guy's crazy. You just don't, I'm sorry, but you just don't do this. You don't get in your car and go out in the snow like this. I mean, look at this. This is whiteout blizzard conditions here. I don't know if you could see, how deep the snow is here, but here's the snow line. You're looking at 2 feet or more. I wish us luck. We got a lot of shoveling to do. Probably at least 2 more times before tomorrow. We don't even know where to put it anymore. Hey, wish us luck there, active rain. See ya.